Oh, girls. Good morning, ladies. You want to see my snacks? Hmm? Come on out. Come on. Come on, Greyjoy. Get over here. That's all I got for you today. But it's something. I would much prefer if we had some meats, but no meats today. Anything that we don't want to give them, put over in the other compost tube. This is where we also compost their poo, their old bedding. I'm sure they can have some coffee grounds, but we always have so many, I don't want to overdo it with them. I'm try to keep any citrus and onions, stuff like that, out of there. I'm not 100% sure why, but that's what we were told. Whoop. Give it a stir. And we'll toss up a little compost one. I'll pick through for any bugs. Can't forget to jump up, see if anybody left any upper deckers. 6 eggs. That's what we were getting on average for the longest time. Then we stopped seeing the white ones from the Andalusians, and it was going on a couple weeks, and we have not found a big old clutch of them, so I'm assuming they're still hiding them somewhere when they're not in the coop for the whole day.